Hi Emma, how have you been?
Hi Sarah, I've been good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I wanted to talk to you about something. It's about my family.
Sure, what's on your mind?
Well, my parents have been arguing a lot lately. It's been stressful at home.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you know what's causing the arguments?
It seems to be about money and responsibilities.
Give me more details, so that I can understand.
My dad thinks my mom isn't contributing enough financially, and my mom feels overwhelmed with household chores.
That sounds tough. Have they tried talking it out calmly?
They have, but it usually ends up in another argument. I feel like I'm stuck in the middle.
I can imagine how hard that must be. Have you tried talking to them about how their arguments are affecting you?
I have, but they just tell me not to worry about it. I wish they could see how it's impacting the whole family.
Maybe you could suggest family counseling. Sometimes having a neutral person can help mediate and find solutions.
That's a good idea. I'll suggest it to them. How about your family? How are things with you?
Things are okay. My sister just had a baby, so it's been exciting, but also a bit chaotic.
Congratulations. How is she handling motherhood?
She's doing great, but she's also very tired. My mum has been helping out a lot, which is a relief.
That's wonderful. It's great that your family is there to support her.
Yes, we're very close-knit. We always try to be there for each other.
I wish my family could be more like that. We used to be close, but things have changed over the years.
Families go through ups and downs. Maybe this is just a rough patch for your parents.
I hope so. I just want everyone to be happy again.
I'm sure they will be. Just keep supporting them and suggesting positive solutions.
Thanks, Emma. I appreciate your advice.
Anytime, Sarah. Remember, I'm here if you need to talk.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. What did you do over the weekend?
I went to the beach with my family. How about you?
I stayed home and read a book. I love reading.
That sounds great. What book did you read?
I read Everyday English by Michelle Finley. Have you read it?
Yes, I have. It's a great book. What did you think of it?
I really enjoyed it. The characters were interesting.
I agree. What else do you like to do in your free time?
I like to cook and try new recipes. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I enjoy cooking different types of food. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making jollof rice. It's a popular dish in West Africa. Have you tried it?
Yes, I have. It's delicious. I like making pasta dishes. They're quick and easy.
That's great. Maybe we can cook together sometime.
By the way, do you have any plans for the upcoming holiday?
Not yet. I might visit my grandparents. What about you?
I'm planning to go hiking with some friends. We love exploring new trails.
That sounds exciting. Where do you usually go hiking?
We often go to the mountains nearby. The views are amazing.
I would love to join you sometime. I enjoy being in nature.
You're welcome to join us anytime. The more, the merrier.
Thank you. I'll definitely consider it. By the way, how is your English class going?
It's going well. I'm learning a lot. How about yours?
Mine is good too. I'm trying to practice speaking more.
Practice is really important. Do you have any tips for improving speaking skills?
I try to speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. It helps build confidence.
That's a good tip. I also watch English movies and listen to English songs. It helps with pronunciation.
Yes, that's a great idea. I do that too. It makes learning more fun.
Learning should be enjoyable. Do you have a favorite English movie?
I love The Lion King. It's a classic. What about you?
I like Forrest Gump. It's a very inspiring story.
That's a good one too. We should watch a movie together sometime.
I'd like that. Let's plan for it soon.
Sure, let's do it. Well, I have to go now. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too, Sarah. Have a great day.